Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the remaining questions of exercise of chapter number 10, that is light reflection and refraction. Now this is question number 11. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Concave lens means its focal length is negative, right? Form an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Now we have given the distance of the image, that means V. Now this is concave lens and we have given V. Now how far the object placed from the lens? It means we have to calculate the U and also draw the ray diagram, right? So we have given focal length minus 15 centimeter, V minus 10 centimeter, right? V is minus since the image formed in the same side of the where object is placed. We have to calculate the U. This is the lens. So lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. It means 1 by U is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by F. Now substitute the value of V and F. We can calculate the 1 by U, and 1 by U is minus 5 by 150. It means U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So the position of object is towards left from the concave lens, right? Now the negative sign indicates that the object is placed 30 centimeter in front of the lens, right? Now the ray diagram. This is the ray diagram. This is concave lens. This is focal length. Focal length is 15 centimeter from the optical center, and center of curvature at distance of 30 centimeter, right? It means object is placed at its 2F. If it is at 2F, so image will form between F and O in case of concave lens, right? Now going for the question number 12. An object placed at distance 10 centimeter from convex mirror, right, of focal length 15 centimeter. The object, it means it is, we have given U equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now the mirror is concave mirror and the focal length of the concave mirror is always positive, right? Now find the position and nature of the image. It means we have to calculate the V. So first of all, we should write down the givens. Now focal length is plus 15 centimeter, U is minus 10 centimeter. Now we have to calculate V. For calculation of V, we have to know about the mirror formula, and mirror formula is simply 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. Now substitute the value of F and U. We can calculate 1 by V and then V, right? So we get 25 by 150, and after reciprocal it 150 divided by 25, that comes out to 6 centimeter, and sign is positive. It means the image is forming in other side of the convex mirror, right? The positive sign indicates that the image formed behind the mirror, right? Now we have to calculate its magnification. Now magnification is size of image divided by size of object, and we can also write it minus V by U. Now V is plus 6 and U is minus 10. After substituting the value, we can get plus 0.6. Now positive sign of magnification indicates that image formed virtual and erect, right? The image is virtual and erect. Now question number 13 of the exercise. The magnification produced by the plane mirror, now this is plane mirror, is plus 1. Magnification is nothing but size of image divided by size of object. What does this mean? It means the size of image and size of objects are equal, right? That's why it comes out to plus 1. Second thing, plus sign indicates that the image is virtual and erect, right? whenever magnification is positive, it means the image is virtual and erect, right? If the value of m is less than 1, it means image is diminished, and if the m is greater than 1, it means image is larger than the size of object. Now question number 14. An object 5 centimeter in length, it means we have given h, placed at a distance 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. It means we have given this is u, and u is always negative. Now this is convex mirror and its radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. Now the radius of curvature of convex mirror is always positive. We have given r equal to plus 30 centimeter. We have to find position of image, it means v, and nature and size. It means we have also calculated h dash, size of image. Now write down the givens. U equal to minus 20 centimeter. कैसे पता लगा? Since the object is placed at distance of 20 centimeter, it means we have to put the object in left hand side. Now the size of object is plus 5 centimeter. Object always placed in erect position. Now our radius of curvature is plus 30. If radius of curvature is plus 30, it means focal length is plus 15. Since r is equal to 2f, right? Now we have to calculate v and h dash, right? So we have a mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Substituting the value of u and f, we can calculate the v, right? After calculation, it comes out 7 by 60. It means v equal to 60 by 7, and that is equal to 8.57 centimeter. Now this is positive. Positive indicates that the image is forming behind the mirror. It means other side of the mirror. That's why it comes positive, right? Now we have to calculate the height of the image. Now we have a formula, h dash by h is equal to v by u. Minus v by u, sorry. This is minus sign for the mirror. So after calculation, we can get h dash is equal to 2.14 centimeter. This is the answer. Now height of the image is positive. It means image is erect, and if it is erect, it means it is virtual, right? Now the image nature is virtual and erect, and it is magnified image. Now see, this is 2.14, sorry, diminished image, 2.14 centimeter, and height of the object was 5 centimeter. It means image is diminished, छोटी बनेगी image. Object की height 5 है, 5 centimeter, और image की है 2.14. It means diminished image formed, right? Now this is question number 15 of the exercise. An object of size 7 centimeter. It means h is plus 7 centimeter. Is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, right? Now this is u. U is negative 27, minus 27. This is h equal to plus 7. And the focal length of the concave mirror, it means f equal to minus 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed so that the sharp image focused can be obtained? It means we have to calculate v. Find the size and the nature of the image. It means we have to calculate the h dash. Now we are writing down the givens. U equal to minus 27 centimeter, h equal to plus 7 centimeter. This is plus 7 centimeter. Now focal length of concave mirror is negative, so this is minus 18 centimeter. Now we have to calculate v and h. Now same formula we will apply as for the mirror. The mirror formula is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Now substitute u and f and calculate 1 by v. Now 1 by v is minus 1/54 after calculation. So V equal to 54 by minus 1. That's come down to be V equal to minus 54 centimeter. Now V is negative. It means image is forming in the side of object, right? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में बन रही है, इसलिए नेगेटिव 54 है. द स्क्रीन शुड बी प्लेस्ड एट अ डिस्टेंस 54 सेंटीमीटर इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गिवन मिरर, राइट? जिस डायरेक्शन में ऑब्जेक्ट है उसी डायरेक्शन में आपको स्क्रीन रखनी पड़ेगी. नाउ कैलकुलेशन ऑफ हाइट ऑफ द इमेज और साइज ऑफ द इमेज, राइट? m इक्वल टू माइनस वी बाई यू. अब के आप v और u की वैल्यू रखेंगे तो माइनस 54 बाई माइनस 27, ठीक है? ये आ गया माइनस 54 बाई माइनस 27, तो ये माइनस 2 आ गया. माइनस साइन आते ही ये पता लग गया कि इमेज और ऑब्जेक्ट दोनों अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. इसका मतलब इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनेगी डबल साइज में, ठीक है? अब डबल साइज की कैसे बनेगी? भाई ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट है 7 सेंटीमीटर, उसका डबल कितना हो जाएगा 14, लेकिन वो नेगेटिव साइन के साथ है. इसका मतलब इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनी, और अगर इन्वर्टेड है तो रियल इमेज भी बनेगी. तो रियल इन्वर्टेड मैग्नीफाइड इमेज, ठीक है? नाउ दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है. फाइंड द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द लेंस ऑफ पावर -2 डायोप्टर. इसका मतलब P दिया हुआ -2 डायोप्टर. P अगर नेगेटिव हो तो फोकल लेंथ भी नेगेटिव होगी. इसका मतलब ये जो लेंस है वो किस तरीके का है? कनकेव लेंस. कनकेव लेंस की फोकल लेंथ नेगेटिव होती है, इसलिए उसकी पावर भी नेगेटिव होती है. अब फॉर्मूला होता है P इक्वल टू 1/f इन मीटर्स. हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ P की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे तो हमारे पास F आ जाएगा. F इक्वल टू आया नेगेटिव 0.5 मीटर. मीटर इसलिए क्योंकि इस फॉर्मूले में सिर्फ मीटर में ही लिया जाता है. अगर आप सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना चाहें तो इसे लिख सकते हैं -50 सेंटीमीटर फोकल लेंथ. क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन है इसलिए ये लेंस कैसा होगा? कनकेव लेंस. कनकेव लेंस का मतलब होता है डाइवर्जिंग लेंस. नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. अ डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड अ करेक्टिव लेंस ऑफ पावर +1.5 डायोप्टर. जो चश्मा दिया गया, डॉक्टर ने जो प्रिस्क्राइब किया था, किसी आदमी की आई में डिफेक्ट था, उसको प्रिस्क्राइब किया ये लेंस जिसकी पावर है +1.5 डायोप्टर. इसका मतलब लेंस कैसा होगा? कन्वेक्स लेंस. और कन्वेक्स लेंस का मतलब होता है कन्वर्जिंग लेंस. तो हमें उस लेंस की फोकल लेंथ फाइंड आउट करनी है. और दूसरा ये बताना है कि ये लेंस कन्वर्जिंग है कि डाइवर्जिंग है. देखिए, क्योंकि कन्वेक्स लेंस है तो डेफिनेटली क्या होगा? कन्वर्जिंग लेंस होगा. अब हमें इसकी फोकल लेंथ निकालनी है. P इक्वल टू 1/f. इसका मतलब हम यहाँ पे F इक्वल टू 1/P करेंगे. P की वैल्यू हमने रख दी 1.5. आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन आ गया ये 0.66 मीटर. इसका मतलब 66.6 सेंटीमीटर इसकी फोकल लेंथ है. और लेंस मैंने पहले ही बता दिया क्योंकि कन्वेक्स लेंस है. कैसे पता लगा कन्वेक्स? क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिव फोकल लेंथ का है, इसलिए ये कन्वर्जिंग लेंस होगा, राइट? तो इस तरीके से हम इसके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, ठीक? तो आज आपका ये जो चैप्टर नंबर 10 है वो कंप्लीट हो जाता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.